Let me introduce operation of the equipment. How are the parameters set? Click to modify. Enter the required value. Click Enter to complete the adjustment. This is the time for heating up. Click to make the modification. The following settings are the same. Click the Time button. Otherwise, there wouldn't be a countdown. It will keep heating. Here are the running parameters. This is the real-time temperature. The temperature reached 190 degrees. Count down to 1 minute. This is the sample size. Take the sample. Put it into the tablet press. Modify according to the sample size. Real-time conversion pressure. When pressurizing, you can see it, the MPa and tonnage. Upper and lower. The red light in the picture turns green. The representative is heating. After clicking, it turns red. Represents stop heating. This is the parameter setting of the equipment. How does it apply pressure? There is a valve on the right side. Tighten it. Pressurization can be carried out immediately. Shake the pressure rod. The slab can be seen rising. Reach the required tonnage. How to relieve pressure. Come to the side. Loosen the valve. After loosening, can see the platform down. The representative is pressure. After pressure relief, the sample can be taken out. The next machine background settings. Click Settings. Program Settings. This is a multi-segment operation. It can be added up to 5 paragraphs, or click to decrease. Click Temperature to set. Holding time can be set. The second paragraph is the same. Time setting. And so on. Click Save. Yes. Return. Click on the advanced screen. This is just set up better parameters. How is it operated? First stage temperature to 50. The holding time is after 1 minute. We'll jump to the next item. The temperature is 20 degrees. Begin to hold for 30 seconds. And so on after it ends. Until the end. Click Settings. Sample setting is to adjust according to your sample shape. Click to switch. This is the sample size. Adjust according to the sample. This is cool. Factory settings have been set. No need to adjust. When it's set up, click Save. Data management. Then you can see Before many stages, leave historical data. Tap one of the items to get it. Click to call. Yes. I can see this is in the history of experimental data. Return to the standard. The entire equipment has been introduced.